Students, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Once again, welcome back to your class, Ravi Sarji Maths, the easier and better way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th, including JEE Maths and Advanced Mathematics. Students, in a previous video lecture of standard 12th, we have studied how to find out adjoint of matrix. Students, in our today's video lecture, we are going to learn about how to find out inverse of a matrix having different orders. Students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon, right? Okay students, now moving to the definitions of inverse of matrix. So first of all, you should be clear that what is inverse of matrix. Suppose students, a matrix A inverse exists. A matrix A inverse exists when another matrix having B, if both the matrices are to be multiplied, you are getting identity matrix. It means both the matrices are inverse of each other. Okay students, so here we can see that the definitions of inverse of matrix. So inverse of matrix for n cross n matrix, right students? N cross n means what? Square matrix. N cross n means square matrix A. If there exists another matrix n cross n, means another matrix should be also a square matrix. B. Another matrix what is student? B. First matrix is what? A, right? Such that their product means their multiplication should be identity matrix with square matrix. So AB is equal to I is equal to BA. If you are multiplying A into B, you are getting identity matrix, and if you are multiplying B into A, so again you are getting identity matrix. Then B is called an inverse of A. What? B is called inverse matrix of A. Inverse of matrix A is denoted by A inverse. Inverse of a matrix A is denoted by A inverse. It is clear that B is an inverse of A. B is an inverse of A, then A is inverse of B. So students, finally, if first of all you will have to check it out, inverse of matrix is existing or not. So your target is to what? Find out determinant of that matrix. What? Determinant of that matrix, the value of that matrix should not be 0. The value of that matrix should not be 0, then A inverse exists. Otherwise A inverse will not exist. So finally the formula of A inverse is equal to 1 upon modulus A adjoint of A. Students, here we will learn how to find out inverse of a matrix of different order. In very first question, students, you can see that we having matrix A of element 2, 5, minus 3 and 4. It means students, here you can see that 2 rows and 2 columns, means this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So how we can find out inverse of matrix? As per the definition, your target should be what? Find out modulus A, right? So finding modulus A. Modulus A means students determinant A. So 2, 5, minus 3, 4. Okay. So cross over here, we are getting what? 8 minus, and here is minus 15, right student? So 8 plus 15, what you are getting? 8 plus 15, 23, which is not is equal to 0. It means students, A inverse exists. A inverse exists, right? Now the next is what? Find out adjoint A. So how to find out adjoint A of 2 by 2 matrix? So adjoint of A, right? Adjoint of A. So in adjoint of A, what you have to do, students? Just you will have to interchange the element of main diagonals, right? So interchanging the element of main diagonal, we are getting 2 and 4. Now interchange the sign of subsidiary diagonal. So this will be plus and this will be minus. This is the adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. Adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. Right students, as per the definitions, A inverse is equal to 1 upon modulus A adjoint A. So A inverse will be what? 1 upon modulus A adjoint A, right? 1 upon modulus A is what? 23. Adjoint A 4 minus 5 3 2, right? So inverse of matrix A will be what? 4 by 23, 3 by 23, minus 5 by 23 and 2 by 23. That's it. Okay students, now moving to the second question. In second question, the order of this matrix is 3 by 3, means there is 3 rows and 3 columns. So in our previous video lecture you have learned how to find out adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix, it means square matrix. So first of all students, you will check it out A inverse existing or not, right? For that you will have to find out what? Determinant value of that matrix. Okay, so modulus A can be written as 5 0 4 8 2 3 1 1 minus 1. Now students, you can expand these things considering 5. Okay, if you are considering 5, so do not write these element and these elements, you are writing 2 and 3, right? And then 2 and 3, 1 and minus 1, right? Similarly, second element is 8. So considering these things, do not write these element and these elements, so writing 0 4 and 1 minus 1. Now plus 1, do not write these element and these elements, so 0 4 2 3, 0 4 2 3, right students? Okay, so 5 cross over here, minus 2 minus 3 minus 8. Now cross multiplication, 0 minus 4 plus 1, again cross multiplication over here, 0 minus 8. So students, what you are getting over here? 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 minus 4 plus 1 minus 8. So minus 25 plus 32 minus 8. Now you can add the negative integers. So negative integers will be what? Minus 25 and minus 8. So minus 33 plus 32 is equal to minus 1 does not is equal to 0. It means students, A inverse exists. A inverse exists, right? Okay students, now your second target is to be what? Find out adjoint of matrix A. Find out adjoint of matrix A. So we know that adjoint of matrix A how can you find out? Suppose you have a matrix A having element A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So what will be the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A will be transpose of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. By getting the transpose of this matrix, you can find out adjoint of matrix A. Okay students, let us find out all these elements, then you can find out adjoint of matrix A. So first of all, your target is to find out A11, right students? So A11, so first row first column means minus 1 is to the power 1 plus 1, right? So you are finding out cofactor of A11. So do not write these elements and these elements. So your target, you will write what? These elements, means 2, 3, 1, minus 1. right? Okay, minus 1 is to the power 2 means plus 1, cross multiplication, minus 2 minus 3. So you are getting minus. Now you will find out cofactor of A12. So cofactor of A12 is what? Capital A12. So capital A12. First row, second column. So minus 1 is to the power 1 plus 2. You want to find out cofactor of what? 8. So do not write this element and these elements. So you will write what? 0, 4, 1, minus 1. So here you will getting what? Minus, because minus 1 is to the power 3 means minus, cross multiplication, 0 minus 4. So minus 4. Now find out cofactor of A13. The cofactor of A13 is what? Capital A13, right? So A13 minus 1 is to the power 1 plus 3. So cofactor of what? 1. Do not write these elements and these elements. Right, students? So you are writing 0, 4 and 2, 3. 0, 4 and 2, 3. So this will be plus because minus 1 is to the power 4. Cross multiplication. So 0 minus 8. What we are getting? Minus 8. Okay. Now cofactor of A23. The cofactor of A23 is capital A21. Sorry. Capital A21. Minus 1 is to the power 2 plus 1. Means you want to find out cofactor of this one. So do not write these element and these elements. So writing 8, 3, 1 minus 1. 8, 3, 1 minus 1. So there will be minus, cross multiplication, minus 8 minus 3. Minus 8 minus 3. So minus 11 into minus plus 11. Okay. Now cofactor of A22. The cofactor of A22 is capital A22. So capital A22 means minus 1 is to the power 2 plus 2. So cofactor of this. So do not write these element and these elements. So 5, 1, 1 minus 1. So 5, 4, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. So minus 1 is to the power 4 means positive integer. So minus 1 into multiplied by 5. Minus 5 into minus 1. So minus 5 minus 4. Minus 9. Okay. Now cofactor of A23. The cofactor of A23 is capital A23. So A23. Minus 1 is to the power 2 plus 3. So cofactor of 1. Do not write these element and these elements. So 5, 4, 8, 3. 5, 4, 8, 3. So this will be minus, cross multiplication, minus 15 minus 32. Right, students? So 15 minus 32. So 17 minus, sorry, minus 17 and minus plus 17. Now cofactor of A31. The cofactor of A31 is capital A31. A31, right? So minus 1 is to the power 3 plus 1. So cofactor of A31 means 4. So do not write these element and these element. So 8, 2, 1, 1. 8, 2, 1, 1. So this will be positive integer. 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. Cofactor of A32. A32. The cofactor of A32 is capital A32. Minus 1 is to the power 3 plus 2. Cofactor of 3 means do not write these element and these elements. So 5, 0, 1, 1. 5, 0, 1, 1. This having odd, the power of minus 1 is 5. So minus 1, cross multiplication, 5 minus 0. So minus 5. And finally the cofactor of A33. A33. So cofactor of 1 minus 1. Do not write these element and these elements. So 5, 0, 8, 2. 5, 0, 8, 2. This is A33. So minus 1 is to the power, sorry. A33. Minus 1 is to the power 3 plus 3. So you want to find out cofactor of minus 1. Do not write these element and these elements. So 5082. 5082. So minus 1 is to the power 6 means even power. So this will be plus. Cross multiplication. 10 minus 0. So you are getting what? 10. Okay. Now putting the values of adjoint A over here. So what we will getting? A11 minus 5, right? A12 minus 4, A13 minus 8, right? A21 11, A22 minus 9, A23 17, A31 6, A32 minus 5, A33 is 10. So as per the definition of inverse of matrix, A inverse modulus A adjoint A, right students? So you have got what? A inverse is what? A inverse exists in this question, minus 1. So all these elements become negative integer will become positive and positive integer will become negative integer. So first of all writing these things, A inverse is equal to value of modulus A is what? 1 upon minus 1. Okay, due to less space just adjust over here. So A inverse is equal to, just students you will have to find out transpose of this and get the multiplication of multiplication with minus 1. So first of all row will be converted into column, column will be converted into row. So finally you are getting what? Minus 5 minus 4 minus 8 11 minus 9 17 6 minus 5 and 10. Okay students, here you can see that you will have to divide this number by minus 1. So all these negative integer will become positive and positive integer will be become negative. So if you multiplying minus 1 with all these elements, so you are multiplying, so it will be plus minus minus, this will be plus plus plus, this will be plus, this will become minus minus. Okay students, here we are completing this we are getting the here we are completing today's video lessons, how to find out inverse of matrix of different order. I hope you have understood this video lesson. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.